Hey guys, you can see how it looked like now when it's after pressure wash. You can see here, it looks pretty much white in this brick, because earlier it has a like black mold up there down here, so it should looks great now. You can see it right there. All the way down here. And all the step too. And this was about it in this full patio. I'm gonna see you. I've been doing the front driveway now, and also down here. This is the driveway. Just finished pressure wash here. Surface cleaner right there. And it looks awesome. And so it's here too in the canopy. And right now I'm going to do this driveway here. It's a long driveway. All the way through there. That's my zoom out. And this my zoom in. Yep, and it's all oh, it's not that very dirty, it's just around here. It's organic, just organic mold and mildew through there. It's here too. There's step. And I'm about to spray some of that S8 now. So, yep. Hey guys, stand by. Thank you for watching. Guys, have a great day.